Hello guys, my name is Ivan and this is my first video ever on the channel. Here I want to share my little knowledge about Photopea. If you don't know Photopea, let me explain it first. So Photopea is a website that maybe you can call it a copy of a Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. But this is a free version because if someone need a Photoshop tools but he or she didn't have a money to buy the license, then they can use the Photopea. Just like me, this is a free and you can use it for your commercial project, for your educational, yeah, you name it. So today I just want to wrap a mug, which is here you can see the white mug with a wallpaper. First, we need to search for the wallpaper pattern. I just go with it, and then you can search what you like from here. This one looks good. Yeah, I just wanna use this image. So you can, sorry. So you can just copy this image and then paste it on here. You can see on the layer section, but I want to hide it first because I want to trace the map using the feature that Photopea have. First, I just want to use the rectangle tool to select the map, and I want to copy it and paste it, hide the background, and here in the select menu, select the remove background. Okay, select again and remove background. Just wait it. Okay, after the Photopea has successfully removed the background of the map, we can just show it again, the background. You see? Cool, right? And then we can just show the wallpaper, and on the photo we can just use clipping mask. Boom. But where's the hole? Okay, that's not a problem. We can just select the layer tool and we can just search for the ellipse shape. We don't want fill, then you select none and zoom it, then you can just draw the ellipse. Just use your instinct. Okay, what if the ellipse that we create doesn't fit with the hole? Don't worry, we have to transform. We can use the warp. Just play with it. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, and then after warp it, you can choose the path here, then use selection mode. Okay, you see the selection mode has been active. Then select the layer 2, then you can just tap the delete button. Yeah, you see, if I hide the background, I've successfully make a hole on the map. Okay, after that, we can just show the wallpaper again. You see, but something is not good enough, I think, such as the reflection of the glass of of the map is gone. How to solve this problem? You see, there is a reflection on here too, right? Okay, the solution is simple. You can just change the blending mode of the layer using the drop down on here. The default is normal, and you can just using your down arrow key on your keyboard and search for what you like. You see, the reflection is back again. Okay, maybe I just wanna go with the color burn. Yeah, color burn. It feels more natural, the reflections. Okay, and if you don't like the color of the wallpaper itself, you can just play around with the image adjustment and hue or saturation. Just play with the color of it. That's good, right? Playing the color. Okay, okay, maybe that's the little knowledge I want to share today. Hope you guys enjoy and you guys can implement it on your maybe map or other object that you want to use. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope I can share more about these tools. I just love using it. Photopea, the free version of Photoshop. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.